What if your competitors are getting recommended by ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude, and you're not? In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly 7 strategies to outrank your competitors in AI search results. And number 5 is the one most businesses completely overlook. Here's the reality. AI search is no longer a novelty. It's becoming the default. ChatGPT alone handles over 100 million queries every single week. Perplexity, Claude, and Google AI overviews are growing even faster. When someone asks these platforms for a recommendation, only a handful of businesses show up. If your competitor is in that handful and you're not, they get the customer. Period. Strategy number 1. Audit your AI presence before doing anything else. You can't fix what you can't measure. Open ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Google's AI overviews. Ask each one to recommend a business like yours in your area. Write down who shows up and who doesn't. If you show up, great, note how you're described. If your competitors show up instead, pay attention to how they're described. This gives you a competitive benchmark. Tools like Scope at scope.online automate this across all AI platforms instantly. Strategy number 2, win the information consistency game. AI platforms cross-reference your business information across dozens of sources. Your name, address, phone number, hours, services, and descriptions need to match perfectly on Google Business Profile, Yelp, LinkedIn, industry directories, your website, and social media. Even small discrepancies, like listing street on one site and Saints on another, will reduce AI's confidence in your data. Your competitors who have clean, consistent data get a trust advantage that's hard to see but easy to fix. Strategy number 3, create answer-first content that AI can quote directly. AI assistants don't just link to websites, they synthesize answers. That means the business whose content most directly answers the user's question wins the recommendation. Structure your website content as clear questions and answers. If you're a dentist, don't just write, "We offer teeth whitening." Instead, write a detailed answer to, "What is the best teeth whitening method and how much does it cost?" with specific prices, timeframes, and comparisons. Make it so good that AI has no choice but to reference you. Now let's get into the strategies that separate businesses that dominate AI search from those that just show up occasionally. These next 4 are where you truly pull ahead of competitors. Strategy number 4, build authority through third-party mentions and citations. This is the single most powerful ranking signal in AI search. When other websites, blogs, news articles, and industry publications mention your business, AI sees that as a massive trust signal. Here's the playbook. Get featured in local business roundups, contribute expert quotes to industry articles, sponsor community events that get press coverage, and write guest posts for authoritative websites in your field. Every external mention is a vote of confidence that AI counts. Strategy number 5, and this is the one most businesses completely miss. Leverage your reviews as AI training data. AI doesn't just count your star rating, it actually reads the text of your reviews and uses them to understand what your business does well. A review that says, "Best emergency plumber in Seattle arrived in 20 minutes at midnight," teaches AI that you're reliable, fast, and serve the Seattle area. So actively encourage customers to write detailed reviews that mention specific services, locations, and experiences. 5 detailed paragraph reviews beat 50 generic 5-star ratings for AI visibility. Look at the difference. A generic review says, "Great service, 5 stars." An AI-optimized review says, "Took my car to Smith Auto in downtown Denver for brake replacement. They finished in 3 hours, used OEM parts, and charged $200 less than the dealer quoted me. Highly recommend for any European car work." See how the second review gives AI specific services, location, pricing, and specialization data. That's what makes AI recommend your business. Strategy number 6, add structured data markup to your website. This is the technical strategy that gives you an unfair advantage because most small businesses don't do it. Schema markup is code you add to your website that explicitly tells AI what your business does. Local business schema, FAQ schema, review schema, service schema. These give AI a structured cheat sheet. Instead of AI having to guess what your business offers by reading paragraphs of text, schema markup spells it out clearly. Use Google's structured data markup helper, or hire a developer for a one-time setup that pays dividends for years. Strategy number 7, monitor and adapt faster than competitors. AI search rankings aren't static. They shift as AI models update, new content gets indexed, and competitor activity changes. Set up a monthly cadence to check your AI visibility across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Google AI overviews. Track which queries you show up for, how your description changes over time, and when competitors gain or lose visibility. The businesses that treat AI visibility as an ongoing process, not a one-time fix, consistently outperform those that set and forget. Let me show you how these 7 strategies work together as a system, not just a checklist. Think of it as a flywheel. Consistent information builds trust. Answer-first content provides value. Third-party mentions add authority. Detailed reviews provide evidence. Schema markup structures everything for AI. Regular monitoring keeps you ahead. And auditing reveals new opportunities. Each strategy reinforces the others. Your competitors who only do one or two of these will always lag behind someone executing all 7. Here are 3 quick wins you can start today. First, Google your business name plus reviews and check if your information is consistent across the top 10 results. Fix any discrepancies. Second, ask your 3 most loyal customers to write detailed reviews this week. Coach them to mention specific services and locations. Third, go to scope.online and run a free AI visibility scan. It takes 30 seconds and shows you exactly where you stand compared to competitors across every AI platform. Scope analyzes your business across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, and Google AI overviews simultaneously. It shows your AI visibility score, identifies which platforms know about you and which don't, highlights your strengths and gaps, and gives you a prioritized action plan. Now think of it as your AI search competitive intelligence dashboard. Get your free AI visibility score right now at scope.online. See exactly where you stand against your competitors in AI search and start winning those recommendations. If this video was helpful, subscribe. We publish new AI marketing strategies every single day. And watch our next video where we break down the exact review strategy that took one business from invisible to number 1 on ChatGPT in just 30 days.